What's up, everybody? This is the 8 to 5 Trader giving you guys my trades for the day. Today is June 13th, 2018, and today I ended up with realized 114. And after commissions, I ended up 102.81 with a net P&L, and my commissions were $9.90. So two tickets in and out. Today I traded IMMU, one trade, and met my daily goal and quit for the day. So today I opened at a little over 3,000. We're getting into that danger zone as far as my equity goes, but today I made one trade, perfect trade, I'd say. So let's go with what I did. So at the open, we got the breakdown. I want to say IMMU was already in the downtrend at the pre-market. At the first 5 minutes, it sold off really nicely in the first 5 minutes. Then at the minutes 2 through 5, we pushed back or pulled back up to the 9 moving average on the 1 minute after we got the close below the 9 moving average on the 1 minute, and also the VWAP and 9 moving average on the 5 minute. I looked at this as an opportunity to short. So right here at the perfect entry, I'd say, after the first 5 minutes, I went short 200 shares at $23.95 with an ultimate target of this daily chart level at 22.83 is what I was looking for, but I guess you could consider 23.15 as a level, as it kind of hits these 23.15 at 3 different days. I guess you could consider that a level, but the price action did not make it down to 22.88, the 22.80s, 90s level. We bounced right here off of 23.06, and we pulled back. But on the 1 minute, I told myself after the price action started to squeeze back up, I said I would get out after the price action made a new 1 minute high. After we made a new 1 minute high, I covered my entire position. Then the price action squeezed up completely, and then that was it. So I made my daily goal in one trade, plus 109 plus 102, and I called it. I did see other trades out there on MU and a couple other trades, but I left it at IMMU and just called it for the day to try to build this account back up. So that's all I did for today. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you catch all of my daily recaps. I post a daily recap video every day. So until tomorrow, catch y'all in the next one.